Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple chicken or ไก่ผัดสับปะรด Okay, first I'm going to start with cut our pineapple. I'm going to cut them to half because I want to use the pineapple skin to make the container for presentation. And I'm going to use the small knife to remove the pineapple meat. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the two square and then just use the knife to remove the meat. It's not easy, but take your time. Make it smooth the bowl, I use the spoon to scoop the bottom out, but I'm not gonna throw away. I'm gonna use all this and the juice too. Okay, and now you're gonna have the pineapple bowl look like this, and I'm gonna do both, so I have two bowls. Okay, and now I have two pineapple bowl, and I have the big chunk of the pineapple meat. I'm gonna cut them to the bite side, and we can ready to the next step. Okay, now I have the pineapple chunk that I'll be cutting, and I have the leftover that I use the spoon to scoop it out, and this part I will put inside our sauce. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, and now we're going to make our sauce, okay, before we're cooking. So I have the pineapple juice and pineapple leftover from the scoop. I'm gonna put it inside the my cup, my mixing cup. Okay, juice go in. Okay, and next I have half a cup the water, the filtered water, half a cup. Okay, go in, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce, the Golden Mountain seasoning soy sauce, my favorite. If you're cooking Thai food, you must to have this Golden Mountain soy sauce. And next 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce. Ooh. 2 tablespoons. Okay, hoisin sauce go in. Okay, and next I have the a half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. Okay, they go in. Alright, I have 2 tablespoons coconut sugar. That's all I use. This the coconut sugar. Okay, if you don't have to use brown sugar, and this is give more like caramelized flavor. I really like it, and they go good with this recipe. Okay, last ingredient is a cornstarch. Okay, I use 1 tablespoon cornstarch go in, and now I'm gonna mix everything until well combine, mix all well together until the sugar dissolve and the flour dissolve. So okay, now all the prep ready. Now we ready to cook. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Okay, cooking oil go in, just wait a second. Okay, before I add the garlic and ginger. This recipe is not really Thai food, but it's Asian food, and then I fry out the pineapple season. That's why I come up with this recipe. They go perfect together with pineapple and chicken. Okay, I use the 2 cloves the garlic, and then the 2 teaspoons the ginger. Chop them. Okay. Alright, and I'm gonna mix until the ginger and garlic give you a really good smell. Okay, right now ginger and garlic really give me the good smell. Next I'm gonna add the chicken. I use 1 pound chicken thigh. I bought whole chicken, 2 whole chicken, and now I have the very beautiful chicken thighs. So I'm gonna use the 1 pound chicken thigh. Chicken thigh go in. Alright. If you don't like chicken thigh, you can use chicken breast. Okay, for the chicken thigh, I remove from the whole chicken, and then after that I cut into the bite size. If you don't like chicken thigh, you can use the chicken breast, but maybe you might have to cut them a little bit thicker. Okay, for the medium heat, and you keep continue stirring until the chicken almost done. Okay, just look cover like this, almost done. Now I'm going to add the sauce. Okay, mix them well before you add the sauce. Alright, add the whole thing. Wow, and you can see the pineapple that I scooped from the bottom of the pineapple skin. Wow. Alright, and let them cook. Let the sauce come to boil and cook with the chicken. Let it good together. Okay, and now the sauce coming to the boil, and you can see it's thicker too, and the chicken start cooking, the sauce changing color. Alright, now time for me to add our pineapple. Okay, I use the whole pineapple that I cut to the bite size. Alright, give them the good mix. Oh, the pineapple and chicken, they smell so good. Alright. Alright, now the pineapple stuck into the sauce and the chicken already cooked. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna add inside here is sesame oil. Just about 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Okay, and I give them the last mix again. Wow, I can't wait for this dinner. Looks so good already. Okay, now we all done. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the stove, and I'm gonna start putting everything together. Okay, I have 2 pineapple bowls, and I have a cooked jasmine rice. And I'm gonna put a little bit of rice in here. Okay, on both. Oh, can't wait. Okay, and now I'm gonna scoop the chicken pineapple on the other side. Alright. Wow, look at this, how saucy. Oh, okay. Put more chicken. Whoa. Look at the sauce. Okay. Same thing. Put more chicken. Wow. And I'm gonna topping with the sesame seed, toasted sesame seed. Make even look it better. Okay, toasted sesame seed, and a little bit the green onion topping. Make some green in here. Alright, here. That's it. We're done. It's easy and looks so good. Okay, now I'm ready to try this. I'm so excited to try this one. Okay, I'm gonna get some pineapple, some chicken, some rice. Okay. Okay. Sweet from a pineapple. Oh, can't wait for another bite. This one I'm gonna get a lot of sauce in the bottom. The sauce. Sweet from the pineapple and the caramel rice, and go good together. I wish to try this recipe. Okay, me and the cameraman cannot wait to try this pineapple chicken, this 2 bowl. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.